po ang highlight brought to you by Manila Beer. Look at the attacks of Nonito, the Filipino Flash Donaire.
He is flashy today.
The Filipino punch, the Filipino flash, but with the power of the Incredible Hulk.
Roberto Garcia working the corner together with Jonathan with Penalosa. Round number 7. He's going to the southpaw stance. Balik na sa southpaw.
Round number 7. WBA Interim Super Flyweight Championship. Nonito Donaire kontra kay Hernan Tyson Marquez ng Mexico. At ngayon po sa ating manual na bilangan, Diyos ko, malayo na po ang agwat ni Nonito Donaire.
That was a good left by Marquez that time. But Donaire's hand speed is also too much
Pero
for
look at the
Marquez.
way sidestep si Donaire.
Saka yung bilis ng kamay niya, mabilis ang kamay niya.
He has the reflexes of a tiger. Very, very sharp itong si Nonito Donaire. So far, ha?
Yes.
Mamaya mga kaibigan, main event, WBO Featherweight Championship, Bernabe Concepcion kontra kay Juanma Lopez. Huwag po kayong bibitaw. Marami pong aksyon darating.
See, Tyson trying to come back. He connected with a good left to the midsection, but that's the only punch.
Hindi mo matatalo si Donaire pag kanyang dumidistansya ka. Sapagkat napakalaki po ng diferensya sa reach. And like that, yan ay favorable para kay Nonito Donaire, yung kanyang style. And he's even backpedaling. He's even widening the gap between him and Donaire. He must be lunging in. Take some chances itong si Tyson Marquez. So far so good for Nonito Donaire. Pero wala pong kumpiyansa sapagkat kanina sa first fight natin, lamang na lamang si Edinson Sona.
Edinson Sona.
Nadali.
Pagkatapos 4 ng low blows.
Oo.
Pagkatapos 2 knockdown, talo siya.
9th round knockout defeat for Edinson Sona kontra po kay Jonathan Oquendo in a fight that he was winning. Yan po ang ating opening fight. Slowing down a little.
Marquez is having a little better round this time.
It's still the ring generalship of Donaire that is dictating the tempo. Hindi makapuro itong si Tyson Marquez eh.
Tyson Marquez with a low blow there.
Beautiful right hand. Another left by Donaire. Mapa-short distance, mapa-long distance ang laban, dinodominate ni Nonito Donaire. You can see the hesitancy dito kay Tyson Marquez. Oh, look at that jab. Left by Marquez. Pero sporadic eh.
Sporadic lang.
Sporadic ang atake ni Marquez.
Final 10 seconds.
Ito po yung round number 7. So far, Donaire, although mas nag-upgrade ng konti si Marquez Opensa.
Yeah.
End of the round.
For the Cobra, tunay na lakas punch of the round.
At narito po ang highlight ng previous round. Brought to you by Manila Beer. Lakas na walang sabit. Ayun, sumabit po kaliwa ni Marquez. Pero isang sabit lang yun.
Maganda yung menu na.
Maganda.
Puerto Rico.
Maganda po ang ating venue.
Round 8.
So far.
WBA Interim Super Flyweight title on the line. Donaire the champion, Marquez the challenger.
So far mga kaibigan, all Donaire show po ang ating nakikita, but let's not forget, may punching power po yung Tyson Marquez.
Yeah.
So, alam mo sa boxing, hindi katulad ng basketball, kapag lamang na, hindi na makakahabol, mahirap na kapag isang segundo. Sa boxing, kahit isang segundo, pag nakatama ka, pwede ka pa manalo. Big left. Narrowly missing the chin of Nonito Donaire. So far, again.
This is a boxing clinic.
Oo. much of a boxing clinic, I'm thinking of calling Donaire Dr. Donaire. Ha? Huwag kang Filipino Clash. So far, so good. Nonito Donaire. Jabbing, using his natural stance. Early in the fight, he was boxing as a southpaw. Now back to his orthodox stance, natural right-hander.
Good hard right to the body.
Wala pa tayong nakikita sustain sa opensiba from Tyson.